Day 79, 80. Almost done with basement drywall. The next project would be compounds, stucco, speckling. Alright, so they put the light on here. It looks so bright and nice. I love it. Alright, so putting on the shower walls. Wow, drywall's almost done here. It looks so nice. Okay, this place is gonna be a shower. Looks great. I love it. Wow. Alright, so far this is how it looks like. So we have to finish up these stairs and the drywall's over here. The bathroom drywall's over here, bifold doors, and then shelves in the laundry, and drywall over here, and air vents, and drywalls around the windows. So far, good looking. I would say we have about 2 to 3 weeks to finish up pretty much everything. Also, we got a quote from Home Depot for the carpet. It's about $1,200 with some changes. So for the whole basement, except the laundry, we're not going to be putting anything over there. And $1,200, that's including padding, carpet, and installation. What the needs for the drywall, mud, and spackling. So got all the knives, edgers, mixers.
Or you can just do a lot of talking.
Yeah, that one. Okay.
When they're on the countertop, then water gets in them and that.